All. In today's video, we are going to discuss installation of Arduino. The Arduino software IDE allows programmer to write programs and upload them to board. In the Arduino software page, programmer may find two options. One is online IDE and another option is offline. If programmer select online IDE, it will allow programmer to save sketches in the cloud. If we save sketches in cloud, we can access these sketches from anywhere and through any devices. If programmer select offline option, he or she should use the latest version of the desktop IDE. Whenever we are installing Arduino IDE, first we need to check out the operating system in our laptop or in our desktop. According to the operating system, we need to install Arduino IDE. It is having in Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, or even portable IDE, that is Windows and Linux. How to connect Arduino UNO? If programmer wants to program in Arduino while offline, programmer should install the Arduino desktop IDE. After installation, he or she needs to connect UNO board with an AB USB cable. Sometimes we call this cable as a USB printer cable. If we use the installer Windows, in that case XP up to Windows 10 drivers will install automatically as soon as user connect board. In below diagram, if you see, we need to select the entry in the tools. In tools, we need to select board, which is showing Arduino /GENUINO. After selecting this, we need to select the serial device of the board from the tools or serial port menu. This is likely to be COM3 or higher version because COM1 and COM2 are reserved for hardware serial ports. To find out to which port we have connected, one should disconnect board and reopen the menu. The entry that disappears should be the Arduino or genuine board. After that, we need to reconnect to the board and select that serial port. As in this diagram, we have shown how to select port from tools. First go to tools in menu. Inside that, select port, and after that it is showing COM6 in this example. Whenever you are connecting printer USB cable, this serial port may be anything, but always it should be above COM3 or COM3 or above COM3. As we have stated, COM1 and COM2 are kept for hardware serial ports. It also provides some of the built-in programs which helps the beginners to understand how to write program using Arduino board. To understand some of the built-in programs, one should go to file. In that, one should select examples. Here it is showing like basics, digital, analog, communication, control, sensors as well as display. Accordingly, for example, if my intention is to select one of the program which is listed in basics, it is showing that Blink program is part of our basics. So select Blink program. After selection, we need to upload the selected program. To do so, in menu, we need to select arrow mark. That is an option to upload program. After few seconds, when program will load, we can see that RX and TX LEDs on the board flashing. If the upload is successful, the message done uploading is displayed on the device and it will appear in the status bar. After few seconds, on pin 13, LED on the board start to blink in orange color. After installation of Arduino IDE, it is giving so many options. All of them are displayed in this diagram. If you observe, the arrow mark is, as we have discussed in our previous slide, it is used for upload. Right mark, it is to verify. As it is shown like a file, if our intention is to open new file, then we need to click on that. Upper arrow mark indicates open and downward arrow mark indicates save option. Menu bar, serial monitor, as well as below, if you observe output, where we will see that is output pane, and rest of the things, a text editor where programmer can write his or her code. These are the few options which we will be having in our Arduino IDE. New, this is used to open new text editor window to write code. Open, it is used to open the existing written code. Open recent, as the name itself indicates, the option reserved for opening recently closed programs. Sketchbook, it stores the list of codes we have written for our project. Examples, as I have stated, these are built-in default examples which are already stored in IDE software. Close, used for closing the main screen window of recent tab. If two or more than two tabs are open, it will ask you again as you aim to close the second tab or whichever tab is already opened. Save, it is used for saving the recent program. Save as gives you the option to save with an alternative name in a desired folder. Page setup, it is used for modifying the page with portrait or landscape options. You may go for portrait or you may go for landscape according to your content. Some default page options are already given from which you can select the page we intended to work on. Print, it is used for printing purpose and will send the command to the printer. Preferences, it is page with number of preferences you aim to set up for your text editor page. Quit, to come out from the IDE. Technical specification of your Arduino software. It uses Atmega 328P microcontroller. Operating voltage is 5 volt. Normally input voltage, that is recommended one, is between 7 to 12 voltage. Input voltage limit is between 6 and 20 voltage. We are having digital input output pins. We are having a 14 pins related to input and output operation, out of which 6 provide pulse width modulation output. Pulse width modulation digital input output pins, as I have stated before, it is 6. Analog input pins are 6, and normally they are from A0 to A5 on the board, and on the board you will find analog input pins left hand side. DC current per input output pin, that is 20 milliamps. DC current for 3.3 volt pin, that is 50 milliamps. We are providing 32 kb, of which 0.5 kb used by bootloader for flash memory and 2 kb for SRAM, 1 kb of memory for EEPROM. The clock speed is 16 MHz. LED built in for on 13th pin. Length of your board is 68.66 mm. Width is 53.4 mm, and weight of that is 25 gram. In our next video, we will discuss the fundamentals of Arduino programming. So it mainly contains which languages we use to code our programs, functions related to our implementation with respect to Arduino board, and the structure of programming, data types, variables, conditional statements and looping statements we will discuss in our next video. Thanks for watching the video.